Hello everyone, my name is Rocky Riley and I am the manufacturer representative from Athens Park Model RVs. Right here we have an A967LE model. It's the first of our 2021 models to be built. Let's start with the exterior on the unit. We have vinyl siding with shutters, which is a standard on our Athens Park models. It gives it a nice residential feel. We also have 3/8" OSB sheathing underneath the vinyl siding for optimal insulation and keeping the unit structurally sound. And we use a lot of residential materials on our units, such as lowy windows, architectural shingles, and numerous other items to give you the best quality. Let's get to the good stuff and take a look inside. To start off in the living room, we have an abundance of windows and light, which makes your unit feel larger, and you can enjoy the views of either at your park or by the lake, wherever your unit is located. On all the windows, we have 1-inch whitewood blinds, which gives plenty of privacy, and they're also very attractive. Over here we have a large entertainment center, which is perfect for your 65-inch TV that your wife will be buying you after you purchase this park model. Throughout the entire unit we have real wood molding for the windows, door trim. Anywhere you see molding, it's real wood. It's much better than what a lot of our competitors use, the MDF wrapped material, which can barely withstand the wrath of many of your children. And then on the exterior, we have 3/8" drywall, which is wrapped in vinyl. When a lot of our competitors use 1/8" plywood or paneling, our units are made to last and give you the best quality for your money. As we head into the kitchen, one of the biggest things people usually ask for is storage space. And you'll notice that we have plenty of cabinet space in here, as you're normally limited to 399 square feet in a park model. You'll also notice that we have an arrangement of different cabinet colors that you can choose from. And so when you customize your park model, you can pick from any different type of backsplash or countertop. As we head over to this side of the kitchen, we have a stainless steel farm sink, which is standard in our Athens product. It's large enough for plenty of dishes that your kids will be doing for you. We also have an abundance of cabinet space as well over here. There are full-size Whirlpool appliances. And down at the very end of the hall, you'll notice there are 2 large pantries that can also be used as a washer and dryer area. As we head into the bedroom, we have a queen mattress with a pillow top. There's also 2 nightstands on either side. Also comes with USB jacks in the wall to charge your phone at night. And then there's also 2 frosted side light windows, which are nice and attractive, but also give you privacy at night. On this side of the bedroom, we have a his and her closet, or also known as a her and her closet. And then we have a large dresser in the middle with 4 drawers, a space right below the countertop for your DVD player or cable box, and then plenty of room in the middle for your TV. As we enter the bathroom, to the right there's a large linen cabinet. We have a 1-piece fiberglass corner shower with a glass door, and we have a spacious vanity area with an LED lighted mirror, a bank of drawers to the left, and a residential elongated toilet. Jeez, look at all the storage space! You have not only 1, but 2 lofts up here. They're great for sleeping and storage. You have plenty of cabinet space over here with wire shelves. You have 2 cable jacks, one on this side and one over there to hook up your TVs. You can also do iPads, laptops with the USB cables that we have up here. And then you also have a separate AC system over here to keep it nice and cool during the hot summer days. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at one of our Athens Park Model floor plans. If you'd like to see more, check out our website, athensparkmodelrvs.com. There you can check out pictures, virtual tours, and floor plans of other popular models. In addition, when you add in your location, you can find a local Athens dealer in your area. I hope this video has given you a closer look at why the A967LE floor plan might be the model for you, and thanks again for watching.